Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now that we have kids at home because they've broken up for the summer holidays, I am going to try and share some easy, delicious lunch ideas. And today's recipe is just that. I am making a lovely tandoori spiced paneer wraps. They are going to be delicious, and I am very sure that my son, who's behind the camera, is going to be all over it. He'll love it. He loves paneer. So I'm going to get cooking. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button. Let's get going. To start with, I'm going to make some marinade. So I've got like 150 grams of natural yogurt. To this, I'm going to add some spices. So I have got here half a teaspoon. This is a teaspoon, so I'm using half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of tandoori masala. This is a spice blend that you can find very easily in shops, and then you just mix it. So that is ready. I'm going to leave it to one side, and I have got here a block of 225 grams of paneer. Now this is shop bought. You can tell how hard this is. If you have tried to make paneer at home, there is a masterclass in how to make paneer at home on the channel. You can check it out. It's very helpful, and just even if you're not going to make it, just to watch it to see how paneer is made, it's quite nice. That paneer is super soft. This one, not so much, but got to make do with what we can get. So I'm chopped it in like long thin pieces. I'm going to get 1 red pepper, and I will chop this as well into long thin pieces. None of this needs like major cooking time. Paneer just needs to be nice and kind of cooked in the marinade, but it's not something that needs cooking as such. Neither does pepper. So it's just a quick saute of things. So I'm going to put the pepper and paneer with 1 red onion. Again, I'm just going to slice it into long thin pieces. Just nice long thin pieces. This is such a good one. I always have tandoori masala ready-made at home. So just putting the, get this off, you don't have to if you don't want to. And all that's left to do is mix it up. You know my thoughts. I think doing it by hand is the best way to do it. And this doesn't need to kind of sit. I can start cooking it straight away. Moving on, I have got that marinade ready. I'm going to crack 1 egg. I'm making 1 right now. That is actually for at least 2 or 3 wraps, that much paneer, pepper and onions. But I'm making 1 wrap right now. So 1 egg, a little pinch of salt to taste, and a little pinch of chili powder. You can use homemade chapatis, which I have done in the past in wrap recipes, but today I'm using a ready-made wrap, and I've bought a nice brioche wrap. So let's see how this works out, but you can use a normal wrap, obviously. A littlest bit of oil goes in. Don't need too much, just a tablespoon should be fine. The oil should be nice and hot now. So I'm just spreading it, and this can just spread as well. Then goes on top our wrap. Just press it down. This shouldn't take long to cook at all. And literally it's been 30 seconds, and I'm just gonna check. I'll give it another 30 seconds. So a minute to cook. Look, it's already stuck to the wrap. Yeah, I'm just pressing it so all the egg is cooked. And now we turn it over. Yes. So I'm just going to quickly get this out on a plate. There you go. And in the same pan, I'll drop another tablespoon. I'm using olive oil today. So I'm just going to use some peppers, some onions. I'm only going to cook for 1 wrap right now. And literally a minute, and this starts to get a lovely color. Not long at all. Just going to give it 1 more minute. So I've got the wrap. I'm just going to use some tiniest bit of coriander chutney. That's optional, obviously. We add in our lovely cooked peppers and paneer. Yum. Look at that. and then we roll it up. I'm just going to roll the bottom bit up because it's for eating right now. Should be fine. And just like that, in literally 2 minutes, this delicious Tandoori Paneer Pepper Wrap is ready. What's not to like? There's protein, there's vegetables, there's carbs, there's everything. It's a complete meal and ready in minutes. That is delicious. Because this is for my son, I haven't put any chili. If you want, you could drizzle some chili oil in it. I really hope you'll give this a go. Don't forget to subscribe, and if there are any special lunch recipes you are looking for, then let me know in the comments below. Bye for now. I better hand this over to my cameraman because it's not my lunch, it's his.